changed.
Dirty and changed.
Good. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the beach today. We're gonna welcome Santi back home. He just got back from boot camp. We're gonna go pack up all the bags into the truck, get all the boards, and then we're gonna head over to go pick up Santi and Jesus. See you guys there.
I need a racetrack on October 15th.
Hello? Yeah. Are you awake?
Yeah. I will be there in 5 minutes.
Best-selling pick, don't miss big.
No, I don't have enough gas.
No, I'm talking about wait till Jesus to get the coffee.
I know what you guys are thinking. I wore this on the last video. This is basically my beach uniform. Give me a word of the day.
Ready for what?
Oh. Oh.
But I never run away. And then I showed up beat. We fucked the world, but now we overseas.
What's up, yeah?
What's up, nigga?
How you been?
What's up? Pretty good.
You looking buffed?
Nah, I lost all that shit, nigga.
What up, Jesus?
What's up, Jesus?
Dick?
Can you get some breakfast? Can you get some beef fist?
everything.
I was wearing the S dolls. I was about to say that too.
Bro, I've already spent like 600. As soon as I graduated, I went up because I wanted headphones for the ride home. It's like
I saw that Snapchat.
every time I talk.
This guy's gonna get all the donuts. He hasn't had a single donut in 3 months. It's this guy's first bite, guys. How amazing is that?
It's like home.
Let me pepper spray you. Let me tell you, your tasers fucking scare me, dude. Like, when they turn them on and like you hear them crack, I'm like, fuck, a champ.
Freeway just got closed. That's not a good sign. You miss all the waves.
Oh, someone came.
Just be walking around.
You can hit it.
I would ask for your.
All right, so we got to the beach. Ready to go. Let's go, guys. Let's get this. They were right there, like right behind where that swell starts, like right there. Or the umbrella.
surfers. We're about to go left in the first. What?
You know the animal crackers? And that one time I went to Somar were amazing.
You guys didn't have animal crackers at Granada?
No?
Yeah, we're about to munch on Buffalo Wild Wings. Hey, no man left behind.
No man left behind. Santi, what did you learn nothing?
They didn't hear us.
How do they not hear us?
I don't know, they're deaf. We're gonna start walking like you. Look how stiff you are.
Why?
You're starting to walk like you're marching. Te lavaron el coco.
Eyes peeled open with like toothpicks. Just playing like war movies all day.
They had Saving Private Ryan on reruns.
Well, I go to mind that.
So we got mall food court instead of Buffalo Wild Wings because there was 45 parties ahead of us at the Buffalo Wild Wings here at Northridge. Outrageous. We are not about to wait for 45 groups of people to eat their food and then we get ours just to order. Am I the only one who knocked out right now?
Beach day backflip. Punch it as hard as you can. Beast. Marine Corps training, this is how they teach us how to fight.
Hardcore killers, right?
Beast.
Hardcore killers.
One of those ball sex.
Grab me that black car.
Later.
Later.
I used to say later to Santi.
Later, guys.
Later, guy.
Peace out, Santi.
Later, Matt.